Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by deciding where your wallpapers will come from and why. Start by picking a few reliable sources, royalty-free sites, art portfolios, or curated 4K packs, so you avoid low-quality or stolen content. Make sure to confirm the monitor's native resolution and aspect ratio, otherwise images will stretch or blur. Once done, install a safe browser download manager, plus a lightweight image editor and antivirus to scan files. This speeds workflow and prevents junk images from landing on your desktop. You now download and manage the images. Grab originals at native resolution and preserve file names or tags for attribution. That helps later. Then create an organized folder structure by theme, resolution, and monitor, so you can target single or multi-display setups quickly. Once files are organized, do quick edits. Crop to aspect ratio, apply mild color grading for cohesion, and export as PNG or high-quality JPEG. Make sure to keep a lossless master if you plan to re-edit or scale later. You finish by applying and automating wallpapers so your desktop stays fresh. Use system settings to set fit or fill, and test how the image looks across scaling and multiple monitors. For rotation, enable the built-in slideshow or install a lightweight app or script to change wallpapers on a schedule. This avoids manual swapping. If something goes wrong, first verify resolution and file integrity, then check file permissions and app conflicts. Re-exporting the image often fixes display glitches immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.